Kalau ngomongin Indonesia, orang luar negeri biasanya langsung kepikiran sama Bali, nasi goreng, atau ramah tamah warganya. Tapi ternyata ada satu hal lagi yang bikin bule sampai melongo. Bahkan ada yang saking kagetnya sampai gemetar, yaitu pengobatan ala Indonesia. Ya, bagi kita orang lokal, jamu, daun herbal, atau terapi tradisional itu udah bukan lagi hal yang wow, biasa aja. Tapi buat bule, semua itu terasa kayak sesuatu yang ajaib.
So let me tell you about some of the best things about living here.
I love being surrounded by people who just have a natural way to heal anything.
Now I'm just cutting up some ginger to have ginger, lime, honey, turmeric tea. So good when you're feeling under the weather, just like need a little pick-me-up. I got stung by a hornet, and instead of like having a Benadryl or taking some anti-itch cream or something like that, they all said put bawang merah or bawang putih, which is garlic or onion on it. And at first I'm like, this is weird, but at the same time, like, they were all saying it, so it's super intuitive and natural to them. I mean, I can't knock it until I try. I just love that mindset.
Look at that. Perfect. If you guys have any other health hacks or natural remedies that you want me to try, let me know. I'm all ears.
Ya, Indonesia itu ibarat supermarket kesehatan alami. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke, setiap daerah punya resep rahasia, ramuan herbal, atau metode penyembuhan yang diwariskan turun-temurun. Dan ini bukan cuma sekadar mitos. Banyak di antaranya yang sudah diakui secara ilmiah, dan bahkan dipakai di dunia medis modern. Makanya gak heran, kalau bule sampai dibuat gemetar saat tahu hal ini, bule yang datang ke sini sering gak percaya. Masa sih sakit kepala bisa sembuh cuma minum rebusan jahe sama sereh? Tapi setelah coba, banyak yang bengong karena ternyata manjur. Kenapa bule sampai segitunya? Karena di Barat, terutama Amerika, hampir semua pengobatan udah bergantung pada obat-obatan modern. Kalau sakit kepala dikit aja, langsung minum pil. Semua serba kimia, serba mahal, dan sering bikin efek samping. Banyak bule cerita, di Amerika biaya berobat itu gak masuk akal. Udah banyak bule yang ngeluh soal hal ini.
Did you know in a bunch of countries in Latin America, you can literally just walk up to the pharmacy window and just ask for a prescription, and they'll give it to you. The whole thing took like 5 minutes, and guess how much it costs? $15. If I wanted to do that in the US, I'd have to like go see my doctor, get a prescription, have it sent over to the pharmacy, wait a couple days, and then pay like $100 later. Bruh.
What the actual hell? I just left the pharmacy to go pick up the prescription that I've been taking for the last couple months. It's a newer one to me, but I've been taking it for at least 3 months, and I paid $35 for it with my insurance. Today, the pharmacist says, hey, were you aware of the price change? And I was like, no, what is it? She said, $500. Huh? So I was like, no, I was not aware. She's like, yeah, I see that you only paid $35 last month. You probably need to call your insurance to see what's up. I'm like, you're right, girl, I'm going to. So I call them. Hey, why the fuck is my prescription $500?
Makanya, ketika mereka tahu di Indonesia ada alternatif pengobatan yang alami, murah, bahkan bisa ditanam sendiri di pekarangan rumah, mereka langsung kaget setengah mati. Mereka terbiasa hidup dalam sistem kesehatan yang rumit, mahal, dan penuh ketergantungan pada obat kimia. Sementara di Indonesia, pengobatan bisa lebih alami, murah, dan efektif. Kontras inilah yang bikin bule sampai kena mental. Mereka ngerasa, selama ini kita dibohongi sistem. Ternyata ada cara yang lebih sehat, lebih manusiawi, dan udah dipraktikkan orang Indonesia dari ratusan tahun lalu. Ini menjadi bukti kalau Indonesia bukan sekadar negara tropis penuh tanaman liar, tapi negeri yang menyimpan harta karun kesehatan dunia. Dari ramuan herbal, pijat tradisional, sampai jamu, semuanya jadi bukti betapa kayanya Indonesia.